Wondering if oily skin people should actually go for facial oils. पिंपल्स हो गए तो चेहरा ही इतना तेल प्रोड्यूस करता है, मुझे क्या जरूरत है फेशियल ऑयल्स की। और ज्यादा दाने हो गए तो सूट नहीं किया तो हियर आई एम टू बस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ मिथ अबाउट facial oils for oily skin type people. So on this very note, hi guys, I am Chitranshi and welcome to my channel. If you like such videos, definitely subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up so that we can dive into the video right now and quickly. First of all, if you're wondering that even oily skin type can use facial oils, the answer is a big yes. Yes, oily skin type people, you're hearing me right. Even you guys can use facial oils, and I'm pretty sure that the idea of facial oils must be sounding paradoxical to you guys, and I'm really sure that it is really frightening for you all. But then we will here talk in a lot of detail about it. And first of all, I will just request that you try to erase all of the negativity about oils from your mind, and then we can start with this video. So yes, we do have multiple oil types for facial, like for the oily skin people. And I'm going to tell you major categories which you can use if you are an oily skin type person. Facial oils are very misunderstood by the oily skin type people, and let me tell you, these can do wonder to your skin. These can really, improve the capability of your skin to lessen the oil production, which it actually does. So talking about the mechanism of oily skin type, what happens is when your skin is, deprived of the natural oils which your skin actually produce, जब आपकी skin में उन ऑयल्स की कमी हो जाती है, so what your skin does is it starts overproduction of those oils to make up for the lack of sebum. Sebum is something which our skin naturally produces. Sebum जब आपकी skin को लगता है कि वो आपकी body में कम produce हो रही है, तो आपकी स्किन एक्सेसिव ऑयल प्रोड्यूस करने लगती है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू हैव ऑयली स्किन. एंड आई एम श्योर हाउ मच you guys love skipping moisturizers and using a lot of drying agents. Let me tell you that this is something which is doing even more harm to your skin. So if you are a fan of skipping moisturizers, please stop right now, because you are stripping the oil which your skin is producing, and you are compelling your skin to actually produce a lot of more oil. So आप जो करना चाह रहे हो अपने फेस को बार बार धो के, अपने मॉइस्चराइजर्स को स्किप करके, वो आपकी स्किन के लिए उल्टा ही काम कर रही है. सो कंटिन्यूसली वॉशिंग योर फेस एंड यूजिंग हार्श स्ट्रिपिंग केमिकल्स और एजेंट्स टू रिमूव ऑयल फ्रॉम योर स्किन will do ulta. It will result in more acne, more breakouts, and more oil production from your skin. If you consider using the right oil type for your skin, you will help your skin with the natural oils ka replacement, and it will stop producing extra oil, or it will keep the breakouts away. Using a facial oil on oily skin, what it does is it creates a layer on your face. ठीक है, वो आपके face पे एक proper layer create करता है, and it will seal the moisture inside your skin. आपकी skin से moisture निकल नहीं पाएगा, और आपकी स्किन काफी हाइड्रेटेड और प्लम्प रहेगी. And then there are a lot of oil types which are great for antibacterial properties. If you're someone who faces a lot of acne issues or blemishes or anything like that, if you start using the correct oil type for your skin, you will see the reduction in all of these problems. And make sure before including facial oils in your skincare regime, you do your research really nice. And if you don't have time, I'm here for you. I have done my research for the oily skin type as well. Do not share your oil with someone who has dry skin or a combination skin type, because oils are really different as per each skin types. So I suggest that you use oil which is specifically made for oily skin type. So let's talk about what type of facial oil should oily skin people use. So I will suggest that you use the oil types which have small molecular size. That means they can penetrate deep in your skin really soon, and they do not leave any greasy or shiny effect on your face. Since they will penetrate really easily, they will also not block your pores. So that's one important thing for oily skin type. The first one which I recommend is jojoba oil. It's a great oil for oily skin type people, and combination skin or sensitive skin people can also use the same type, but then I'm covering only for oily skin type people here. So I'm going to focus more on why you should use jojoba oil for oily skin types. Jojoba oil is really ultra lightweight oil which penetrates deeply and easily into your skin, and in fact it's really इसकी जो composition or compensation, इसकी जो composition होती है, इस oil का जो structure होता है, it's very similar to what skin actually naturally produces. It has got similar composition as the sebum, so it kind of tricks your skin into, you know, showing that this is the sebum which is naturally produced by your body. So I recommend that oily skin type go for jojoba oils. It's great for acne prone skin because it's a non-comedogenic oil. Non-comedogenic oil means it does not clog your pores, it simply gets absorbed by the skin. So if I talk about how to use jojoba oil in your skin, you need to apply your favorite moisturizer first. Oil is the last thing which you're going to apply on your skin, because once you apply oil, your skin does not absorb any further products which you apply. So make sure oil is the last thing that you apply on your face. So first apply a nice layer of moisturizer. Once you're done, after 5 to 10 minutes, apply jojoba oil and let it sit on your skin and let it get absorbed by your skin naturally. I'm going to list down a few variants or a few brands of jojoba oil which you people can try in the description box below. You can buy them from Amazon. All of them will be available on Amazon at a pretty decent price. तो मैं सारे ही description box में डाल दूंगी, आप वहां से जाके ले लेना. मैं किसी स्पेसिफिकली किसी ब्रांड पे फोकस नहीं कर रही हूँ इस वीडियो में. आई एम ओनली फोकसिंग ऑन द टाइप ऑफ ऑयल्स. द ब्रांड्स विच यू कैन बाय विल बी प्रेजेंट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. वी टॉक अबाउट द सेकंड अमेजिंग ऑयल फॉर ऑयली स्किन टाइप. द सेकंड अमेजिंग ऑयल इज argan oil for oily skin type. So we've heard a lot about argan oil, right? It's all over the beauty industry. Argan oil this, argan oil that. So let's just quickly talk about what benefits argan oil has. Argan oil is rich in vitamin E and it again easily penetrates in every skin type so that you get the benefits of vitamin E in your skin. Vitamin E acts as anti-inflammatory and it will avoid your skin to produce acne producing oils. ऑल्सो ये आपके स्किन में सीबम लेवल को बैलेंस करता है, जिससे अगेन आपकी स्किन जो ओवर ऑयल प्रोडक्शन है दैट रिड्यूसेस, and that's why argan oil is great for oily skin type. Argan oil is rich in oleic acid, which is great for, you know, increasing your skin's permeability so that other ingredients are also deeply absorbed by your skin. And also guys, argan oil is known as liquid gold, so it is a really great oil for oily skin type. Then the next oil for oily skin type I'm sure you must have heard of is tea tree oil. I've made a detailed video on types of tea tree oil that you can use. I'm going to link them right here. But then tea tree oil is again a great oil for facial skin types, for oily skin type people. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It has antibacterial properties. So it penetrates in your skin and kills the acne producing bacteria. And it's light, it's non-comedogenic, and it penetrates and obviously kills the bacteria. As I've told you, it will avoid the painful acne causing bacteria and it will kill them right there in the pores. So it's a great oil again for oily skin types. One thing which you guys need to be really sure of, that this is a very potent oil. I have highlighted it in this video as well. It's a really potent oil जो skin पे काफी like बहुत potent होता है. तो आप जब इसको use करो तो भी श्योर कि आप इसे किस तरीके से यूज कर रहे हो. इफ इट इज एन एसेंशियल ऑयल, मेक श्योर दैट यू ऑलवेज डाइल्यूट एन एसेंशियल ऑयल विद अ कैरियर ऑयल, बिकॉज वो इतना ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है. जैसे वो एक्ने से बैक्टीरिया को किल करता है, इसलिए उसको स्पॉट ट्रीटमेंट के लिए भी यूज करते हैं. बट डू नॉट यूज इट विदाउट डाइल्यूटिंग इट विद अ कैरियर ऑयल. सो मेक श्योर आइदर यू यूजिंग सम tea tree oil which is already mixed with a carrier oil, and if you're getting the 100% pure essential tea tree oil, always make sure that you're mixing it with some sort of carrier oil. Then the next oil which is again great for oily skin type is green tea oil. I'm sure you must have heard about it as well. Green tea is great if you consume it. Otherwise, if you want to apply it on your face, then also it's a great oil. Oily skin has the capability of producing excessive oil, or either you people are washing off your skin a lot of time, which what happens in either of these cases, आप अपने skin के pores को ना block कर देते हो, जिस वजह से आपको और breakouts होते हैं. The polyphenols and EGCG in the green tea oils are great for controlling sebum and breakouts. Again, an antibacterial oil which helps you kill out the bacteria which is stuck in your pores and in those oily areas of the skin. So again, it's a great antibacterial oil for oily skin type. As I told you, it has got EGCG, which is mainly responsible for that antimicrobial property of this oil, and it helps killing the bacteria which actually causes the breakout. Again, I'm going to link down a few of all of these oil types in the description box below. You can do your research properly and look out for the best one for your skin type. So I hope I was able to help you guys out, and if yes, then please इस वीडियो को thumbs up, like कर दीजिए अभी के अभी, because that will mean a lot to me, and quickly let me know your feedback in the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel, because I keep bringing such content which will, I'm sure, which will help you out. Also, I'm available on Instagram. My handle is chitranshi.me. Come and say hi to me on Instagram. And this will be all for today. I will see you again very soon with another video. Till then, bye.